Why is it so easy to dream about success, but impossible to actually start? Why can't you force yourself to just take the first step next day after planning something perfect? Is it because you are lazy? Or is there something else? Psychology says it is something much darker. You are not lazy. Your brain is actively tricking you. Here are the 4 psychological traps keeping you paralyzed, and exactly how to break them to finally force progress. Trap 1: the fake dopamine loop. You are addicted to potential, not effort. In psychology, just imagining success or talking about your goals releases a massive spike of dopamine in your brain. Your brain actually feels a sense of achievement just from the fantasy. Think of it like this. Have you ever told all your friends you are going to start a strict diet tomorrow? Just hearing them say, "Wow, good for you," makes your brain feel like you already achieved it. So, what happens? You eat a whole pizza that night and never start the diet because your brain already got the reward for free. How to rewire it? The rule of silence. Stop telling people your plans. Stop talking about what you are going to do. Starve your brain of that fake, cheap dopamine so it is forced to actually execute the work to get its reward. Build in the dark. Trap 2: the perfect dream syndrome. You don't lack ambition, you are terrified of destroying your self image. Right now, in your head, your dream business or project is perfect. If you actually launch it and it fails, the illusion shatters. Imagine buying a beautifully expensive, leather bound notebook to write your goals in. It looks so perfect that you become terrified to write the first word, just in case your handwriting is messy. So the notebook stays completely empty forever. You stay in the planning phase because as long as you never try, you never fail. How to overcome it? You have to intentionally break the illusion. Launch the ugly version, post the bad video, scribble messily on the first page of that notebook. Once you realize that a micro failure isn't the end of the world, the fear evaporates, and you can finally move fast. Trap 3: the illusion of readiness. You are waiting for the right moment. You think you need to read one more book, take one more course, or feel fully rested before you start. You are overthinking every possible outcome, which drains your mental battery. This is exactly like sitting in your car in the driveway, refusing to drive until you know every single traffic light in the city is perfectly green. It is impossible. You have to start driving to actually trigger the green lights. The hack: readiness is a myth. Psychology proves that motivation does not create action. Action creates motivation. You will never feel 100% ready. Force yourself to take the first physical step, and the feeling of readiness will follow 5 minutes later. Trap 4: the identity rejection. Your brain will aggressively resist any action that doesn't match how you secretly view yourself. You can have $1 million dream, but if your internal identity is, "I am someone who never finishes things," your brain will sabotage you to prove that identity right. Action requires becoming someone else entirely. Imagine putting on a heavy winter coat to go to the beach in the summer. It doesn't fit the environment. If you secretly view yourself as a lazy person, your brain will literally make it impossible to wake up at 5 a.m. to work on your business because lazy people do not wake up at 5 a.m. Your brain demands that your actions match your identity. How to rewrite it? Stop trying to trick your brain with positive thinking. Your brain doesn't believe words, it only believes actions. You have to build a new identity through tiny, easy wins. Make your bed. Reply to one single email. Read just one page of a book. Give your brain physical proof that you are someone who actually gets things done. Now, the simple bonus tip for you: if you want to stop living inside your head and actually start building your reality, start right here, right now, with a simple brain hack. Go to the comments and tell me, which of these 4 psychological traps has been stopping you from taking that first step? Expose it by physically typing it out so your brain can stop hiding behind it. This is actually one of the brain hacks I talked about in my last video, and it connects perfectly here. Because if you have been stuck in these traps, your bank account is probably reflecting that lack of action. Once you fix your mindset, you have to physically fix your money. Click the video on the screen right now to discover Kakebo, the 100-year-old Japanese psychological trick to cure your lifestyle creep and finally start building wealth. Drop your trap in the comments, hit subscribe, and I will see you in that next video.